Let him suffer. I really don't need all this drama. Somewhere in this city or the next, there's someone who will appreciate me, pamper me, put up with my moods. Can't live without me, he says. So be it. What's one less life in this overpopulated world? Is it the rain? Weighing me down? Well, when my ride comes, I'll leave all this behind. Good riddance. Of course, I'd have to call for a ride before one can be expected to arrive. Why haven't I called? Because... Yes, I'll go back up. We'll cry. We'll kiss. No need for a body to fall to the street and be pelted by this incessant rain.